with 2 days of eating madness, you know. But I plan on staying lean now for summer anyway. This is the second day after the show now. Yeah. Last 2 days I ate mad, like as you seen, had a little barbecue and we're watching the final, Champions League final. With the lads that came over, had a barbecue and stuff. And obviously on the day I had so much food. But the problem I'm having now is I'm drinking full juice. Still staying on the oats, eating that with protein, and I'm just adding a skinny little bar and 2 brown breads. Yeah, staying lean now for the summer. I'm planning on staying, you know, if I'm still lean enough in July, I plan on going for the next competition in September again. And look, this is the shirt I got actually for competing, like, you know, it's look pretty sick, isn't it? Not so bad. I like the sponsors on the back. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got a little goodie bag, like, and I got a few things out of it. Creatine, beef isolate, and 2 samples of protein as well, and a shaker. Class. Hey guys, what's happening? Got myself a croissant. This is my birthday vlog, I guess. Got the worst gift of my life. As you can probably tell now. It's not the greatest. I'm not feeling the greatest either. Oh, I'm just gonna go for a drive right now. That's the plan anyway. Go for a drive. Well, finish this cappuccino as well and finish this. Go for a drive. I don't have a tripod with me, so I'm not gonna be recording the drive, you know. Yeah, because some shit that went down on my birthday. Worst gift ever, you know. Oh my god. Right, stop with this bullshit. And I was gonna train arms today as well, but I don't have my tripod, so after my drive you'll see what it is, you know. So I'll not record my arm session, so tomorrow morning I'll record my shoulders, I guess. But until then, we'll see what happens throughout the day. I don't know. I'll tell you the story like throughout the day later, a bit later, but right now I need to go for a drive. Right, chat to you guys. This could be my last video too, like for a while. I'm just gonna switch off, like just fucking disappear off social media for a while. I think so. What's the point in it now these days? Like, what the fuck, like a year, over a year and a half wasted. On what? Like what? Just after as well, competition as well, like I was feeling great and everything, you know. I'm like, yeah, have carbs in me, and then shit goes. I need to stop talking about this, like I can't get out of my head. Oh my god. So basically, let's explain it right now quickly. I texted the woman and said, we need to have a serious talk, like me and you, because we've been off, you know, because I was like, oh, she had exams and everything on, I was on prep, so I was like, I give you time, you know, like, to yourself, because we don't get in each other's ways. And now that everything is over, I text that serious talk, and she backfires on me, say, we're over, she's not feeling it anymore. That's fucking retarded of me. Like, why did I give her space, didn't give her attention, like, and now it's gone to shit. Oh my god, that fucking idiot I am, like, I don't know, man. I'll chat to you in a bit. Let's see what happens the rest of the day. Like, oh my god, that's almost finished this coffee and I'm ready to go for a drive. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The gym didn't even help me, like, man, I can't get her out of my head. Now, I guess, I don't know what to do. I thought she was the one, the longest one I've ever had. Yeah, what can I do? What can I do? Go back to me, myself and I guess. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I have no tires either. My tires are gone. The wire sticking out of them. I've been doing a bit of aggressive driving on the Lexi. A little too much. I have no tires, so hopefully I make it home. Hopefully, that's the plan now. It's the worst year so far for me. Like, holy, like, think about it. I'm getting kicked out of the house. I've lost a best friend as well, like, apparently Ziggy's gone. Like, what the hell? Like, they're not replying to me. Like, what the fuck am I doing wrong with my life? What am I doing that no one's like it anymore? I don't understand. Am I too positive, or what's the story? Oh my god. I guess last guys always finish last, ain't that right? I guess. Fucking hell. Like, lost best friend, losing the house. I'm fucking going homeless after losing the girlfriend, like. What the hell? This year is not great. Only one thing going for me. I got second place in most of the contests, like, that's it. I'm not going on any holidays either, nothing planned. Oh my god, I'm not doing anything to my cars. Nothing. Oh, I need to sort my shit out. I just need to go back to me, myself and I guess. Holy shit. Yeah, enough of me talking. Let's enjoy the day, yeah? Sorry about all this. Like, I'm putting all this negative energy on you guys. Yeah, stop this. Right, let's get a positive attitude, right? Right, my last video for a while, because it's just gonna be me on my own. So I'm gonna try my best and improve the video now. All positive vibes, yeah? Chat to you in the next bit.
48 and a half.
It's not even meant to be that scary, guys. Hello!
You okay?
Wait, what happened?
What happened? What happened?
Wait, what happened?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're really late coming
I can't be bothered. Oh, I have to get out of this house literally in 2 days. Time to say goodbye to all these people. Sign the wall, all the memories. Oh, this is not great, is it? I don't want to. No, I actually do. My number one. Well, anyway, stop with that. Stay positive. It's time to go leave this place. Yeah, still wearing this t-shirt. I know. Still the same day. Still got the veins. Still staying lean. As you can tell, I'm not feeling great. Still, you know, heartbroken here. But about me, so positive mood, because this video is depressing right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna go crawl up in a ball in the garage right now because I have everything packed, most of the stuff packed now, and she had smelling her it make me think she's near me. Yeah. Okay, stop. Right, I'm gonna fight for her anyway. That's the main thing. I'm gonna try and fight back for her, even though she's lost interest in me. I don't care. I'm gonna try and build it back. Hey guys, as you see, I went to the cinema. You know, watched Backrooms. I don't know, it was the weirdest movie I've watched so far. Still not feeling the greatest, you know. Went to my mother's, they made me food for my birthday, and I don't know what to do with my life at the moment. I have no idea. The house is so empty as well without her now as well. Like, she already packed all her stuff. I don't know what to do. I don't want to sleep here in this house again now because I don't know what to do. I actually don't. Why am I even? I'm just talking to my phone like, oh my god, letting everything out like, because I'm talking to myself. I think that's why. I try to be positive, you know, they are like, but I just couldn't. I just couldn't. Oh my god. This might be a short video, I don't know. Might include something else. I have to include a workout, so next vlog probably be me doing a workout. Just me doing a workout. Yeah. Oh my god. It's like, what do I do? Nah, maybe I just sleep here with last night and I'll go sleep in the car or something. Nah, I can't sleep here the whole week in this house. I just can't. Right, the struggles are real. I'm supposed to go look at a house Tuesday, a new house, but not happening anymore. Yeah. But anyway, I guess I'll see you all in the gym. Peace.